Hello, my name is Stefanus Napitupulu. I'm student from Bina Sarana Informatika Kramat 98 University. Now I want to present about computer. Definition of computer. Computer is an electronic machine that calculates data very quickly, used for storing, writing, organizing, and sharing information electronically or for controlling other machines. History of computer. In the past, processing data is done by human. Human also found mechanical and electronic tools to help a human in data processing to be able to get more quickly. A computer that we meet this evolution length of treasure from the out of mechanical device and electronic. At this time, computer and supporting tools have been included in every aspect of life and work. Computers are now capable of more than just an ordinary mathematical calculation. Among them is a computer system capable of reading Gauss supermarket shopping goods cart, telephone exchange that handles millions of calls and communication, computer networks, and the internet that connects various places in the world. The story of computer according to the period is the first generation computers, the second generation computers, the third generation computers, the fourth generation computers, the fifth generation computers. Now the first generation computers. With the onset of World War II, the countries involved in the war sought to develop to exploit their potential strategic computer. It increases funding for the development of computers and accelerate the progress of computer engineering. 1 Colossus, 2 Mark 1, 3 ENIAC, 4 EDVAC, and 5 UNIVAC 1. Futures computers, the first generation is the use of vacuum will make computers in that time a very hook shape. The cylindrical magnetic to data storage. Instruction surgically created specifically for a particular text. Any computer have a program of code binary different called machine language. This means computer difficult to program and limiting the speed. To the second generation, first machine we use this new technology is the supercomputer. IBM make to the supercomputer named Stretch, and Prairie Ran make a computer named Large Computer. This computer, developed for laboratory atomic energy, can handle a huge amount of data, a capability of being where really needed by research atoms. To make it very expensive and then to complex to the needs of computing business, so as to confine capabilities. There are only two large whenever mounted and used. One of the Lawrence Livermore Radiation Labs in California, and the other in Navy Research and Development Center in Washington, D.C. Computer the second generation replaced language machine with assembly language. Assembly language is language that use abbreviations to replace binary code. At the beginning, 1916 began appearing computer. The second generation was success in business. At the university and in government, computer the second generation, this is a computer that fully using transistors. They also having computer component parts was component can be associated with computers in when these printers storage in a suitable memory operating system and program. At the beginning, 1960 began appearing computer. The second generation was success in business, at the university, and in government. Computer the second generation, this is a computer that fully using transistor. They also having component parts was components can be associated with computers in when these printers storage in a suitable memory operating system and programs. The characteristic of computer in the second generation, one, the use of transistors so that the size was small. Two, the development memory, the nucleus magnetic support the development computer, the second generation smaller, faster, more reliable, and more efficient in energy than these predecessors. Three, the replacement of machine language is becoming the language assembly, a pair programming language, COBOL and Fortran. Next, the third generation. Also, transistors is many ways to surprise to a vacuum, but transistor produce appreciable heat that can be reported potentially to destroy part the internal parts of computer. Quadro, deprived of this problem, J.Q.B. and engineering in the Texas Instrument developed an integrated circuit. The sense is that manage inserting many components into a chip single called semiconductor. As a result, computers are becoming increasingly small because components can solidify in chip. Progress computer are the third generation is the use of operating system. Operating system that allow a machine to run different programs simultaneously with major programs that monitors and coordinate computer memory. The characteristic of computer in the third generation: one, the use of IC or integrated circuit. Two, stage computer became more small. Three, phones operating system. The fourth generation. After IC, the purpose of developing become more clear. Short change the circuit and components, electric components, large-scale integration can contain hundreds of components of a chip in 1980. Very large-scale integration, so contain thousands of components of a chip single and ultra-large-scale integration increase the number of the into million of the ability to install in such many component in a keeping it of the coins encourage price falling and size of computer. This is also increase the work efficiency and dependability computer. Chip Intel 4004 made in 1971 brings progress in IC by putting all component of computer or of the central processing unit, memory, and range input-output in a chip which is very small. Formerly, IC made to work on particular test specific. Now, a microprocessor can be produced and then programmed to meet all the needs of the desired. Not long after, any device household as a microwave oven, television, and cars with electronic fuel injection furnished with a microprocessor. The development of this allow people, the common people, to use computer ordinarily. The computer does not longer be domination company by companies or government agencies. In the middle of 1970, assembler computer after product their computer the general public. Computer is computer called mini computer. So to the software easy to use by the lay. Software that's most popular at the moment was program word processing and spreadsheet. In the early 1980, video games as the Atari 2600 to attract attention consumer and on a computer home more sophisticated and can be programmed. In 1981, IBM introduced to the use of personal computer or PC for use in the home, office, and school. The number of PCs jumped from 2 million units in 1981 b 55 million units in 1982. 10 years later, 65 million PCs. Computer continue evolution to a small size of a computer that is above a table, become the that can be insert into a bag, or even computer that can grasp. IBM PC compete with Apple Macintosh in win a computer market. Apple Macintosh became famous for popularized system graphic on his computer, while rivals still use computer-based text. Macintosh also popularized the use the most. The current we know travel IBM compatible to the use of CPU. IBM PC 486 Pentium, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4 series of CPU artificial Intel. Also, we know an MZK6 Athlon or ATC. These all get in among computer for generation, along with the growing number of the use of computer at work. Why now ways to the potential the future development of the along with increased strong a computer small. Computer the computer can connect it in together in a network to share memory, software information, and also to communicate it with each other. Of computer networks or allows the computer singular to establish coordination electronic to complete a process duty by using cable directly or PON cables, the network is can be developed into very page. The characteristic of computers in fourth generation, one use ASC, VLSI UC, use microprocessor. A lot of progress in the field of computer design and technology increasingly allow the manufacture of the fifth generation of computer. To engineering progress, especially is the ability of parallel processing, which would have replaced model von Neumann. Von Neumann model will be replaced with a system which is able to coordinate a lot of the CPU to work in unison. Other progress is a technology superconductors that allow the flow of electric without any obstacles, which will can speed up speed information. Future of computers. We have discussed of few points that will highlight the different features of computers. These features collectively contribute to the versatility and functionality of computers. The one, processing power. Computers and can execute instruction and perform calculation quickly. Two, storage capacity. They can store vast amounts of data from documents to multimedia files. Three, memory. Temporary storage used for actively running programs and process. Four, input device, keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals allow user to input data. 5. Output data monitors printers and speaker display or produce result. 6. Upgradability components like RAM, storage, and graphics cards can be upgraded. 7. Portability laptop and tablets offer mobility compared to desktop computer. 8. User interface graphical user interface or command line interface for interaction. 9. Security features, password firewalls, and antivirus tools protect against unauthorized access. Thank you and see you again.